Hello, this video is about open work knitting with staggered knit and purl squares, discretely divided with holes. This 2021 Chanel model uses a similar checkerboard pattern but with larger squares. The knitting pattern has 2 layers. The scheme consists of 6 loops and 4 rows, which are repeated with an offset of 3 loops. We start from the right side. Row 1 right side, we begin the first layer. We work with loops in groups of 3. Make 1 yarn over loop and knit 3 loops together, so that the second one is in front. Then make 1 yarn over loop and knit 3 loops. Make 1 yarn over loop and knit 3 loops together, so that the second one is in front. Then make 1 yarn over loop and knit 3 loops. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 2 wrong side, we work with loops in groups of 3. Purl 3, knit 3. Again. Purl 3, knit 3. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 3 right side, continue to knit in the manner of the previous row. Purl 3, knit 3. Row 4 wrong side, repeat the previous row. Purl 3, knit 3. Row 5 right side, we begin the second layer and change the type of loops. Knit 3 loops. Make 1 yarn over loop. Knit 3 loops together, so that the second one is in front, and make 1 yarn over loop again. Repeat. Knit 3, yarn over, knit 3 loops together. Yarn over. Knit in this manner until the row is complete. Row 6 wrong side. Knit 3, purl 3. Row 7 right side, repeat the previous row. Knit 3, purl 3. Row 8 wrong side, repeat the previous row. Knit 3, purl 3. Due to the staggered arrangement, there will be no change in knitting the even rows when knitting in the round. I just showed you a lovely knitting pattern for a checkerboard pattern that designers around the world have been using a lot lately. It works for knit clothing for both the summer and the winter. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.